Take note because I am convinced that from now on, when using the plastic or tie wrap hooks, you can solve a lot of inconveniences inside your home. Let me tell you that these hooks are incredibly useful, and I'm sure you would never have imagined all the smart uses you can give to these little strips of plastic. Pay close attention and you will not be left without knowing it. Number 1. Repair a broken zipper. It is quite tedious to close the zipper when the fastener has been broken. Using a plastic hook is ideal for this. Just go through the middle of the zipper in this way and then cut with a scissor. Now you can move it easily. Number 2. Uncover the pipes. The pipes in the house are usually covered due to the salt, the stains that come out of the body, or other factors. To avoid this, you can use a plastic hook. With the help of a scissor, cut the surroundings until you form some teeth. Then put it in the covered pipe, and you will notice how it will start to remove what was obstructing it. Take advantage and let me know from which country you are watching me to send you a greeting in a next video. Today's greeting is for Marina Cardona from Colombia and for Felicita Yagual from Ecuador. Number 3. Secure suitcases when traveling. When you go on a trip and want to protect your belongings from possible losses, you can use a plastic hook. You just have to wrap a hook between both zippers, and it will be well protected. Number 4. Make a portable keychain. In an emergency, when you have to go out and do not want to take all the keys, you can make a portable keychain using plastic hooks. Just put the keys together and go through them with the hook, cut with the scissors, and that's it. Number 5. Protect the cabinets. If you have small children at home and they tend to open the doors, you can use the hooks to close them. In this way, they will not have access to what is inside. Number 6. Measure the depth when drilling. Whenever the wall is drilled, we tend to put the wick with too much or very little depth. To measure the depth you really need, wrap a hook around the wick and then drill as usual. You will have just the size you need.